guys. You know, lakas ng ulan.
2 hours, I told you.
Look, these two moaning. And they're the one who has a raincoat. Alec has a raincoat. Albert has a waterproof jacket. Except me. Because he forgot the raincoat. He forgot my jacket. It's good I have this one because it's a bit cool. Ayun, bumagsak.
What's happened?
Eh.
Shower.
And Albert decided to stop here because the shower and I have a waterproof jacket and I don't have.
Exactly.
So, if there's the one who will be soaking wet,
we
it's
take
me.
care of you. You know.
Anyway, it's raining so hard, guys. So we just check out from the hotel. We have all our luggage here, and there. We're going to Newcastle, going back to England. Shame that we're leaving Scotland. But yeah, anyway. Ang lakas ng ulan. See, now it's become more strong, the rain.
Sometimes.
Ay, nako. So, it's become more, it's raining. Ayun na nga, hindi kami makapot. Dapat sa Edinburgh sana ulit kami babalik. Kaso, since they have a festival, my God, all the hotels are really extremely so expensive. So, maybe we're just gonna come back and do that again next time. Anyway, it's also, until Friday is raining. So, mahirap din. Hindi rin kami makakapaglibot, hindi rin kami makakapag-ikot. So, sayang lang din. Kasi gusto pa namin iikot yung city sana. But yeah, weather forecast is raining. There's some part, some mountain here in Scotland has a snow. Imagine during August, summer. But it's nice and cool. That's why we did not expect that it's gonna be cold like this. So lahat actually nagdala namin, baon namin damit is for summer. It's good that me and Alec I have like 2 pants. So I just wash and wear. And yeah, so let's go to Newcastle, guys. Balik sa Newcastle. I don't mind to get wet, yeah. Rain is so hard. And all of
So
this.
we don't like water. I know.
In Netherlands, it's raining so much. Raining a lot. So what's the problem then? Ay nako, ito lang yung Dutch na tao na kilala ko na ayaw ng ulan. Nice rain. Oh. Ooh, look at that umbrella. Look at their umbrella. Actually, hindi ako gumagamit ng payong. May raincoat kami kamukha na ganyan kay Alec. Meron akong ganyan. Kasi pag nakapayong ka, tendency is masisira lang po na lang ng ganyan. Maluluti ang payong nyo, lalo na sa ganitong lugar, mahangin and raining. See, nasira na yung payong ni Lola, kawawa naman. Kaya ang mas maganda is you have a raincoat like this, like Alec. May ganyan ako. Unfortunately, kinalimutan ni Albert.
But Ria was so smart to forget her jacket.
Who forgot my jacket? You or me?
Guess me.
Exactly. You, not me. Ang hirap mag-video kasi umuulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Well, since the iPhone is waterproof so I can use it. Tapos, ang dami kong dala. And ang parking dito, 5 minutes walk from the hotel. So, we have to walk. Ay, lumakas! Saka pa ka. Grabe, oh, basang-basa. Buti si Alec nakaganyan. Ako, pants ko basa. Basang-basa ang... Ayan na nga, nakasakay na kami. Loko yung mga gamit na.
You said video.
Yan, video nga, vlog.
I thought you like a video. You meant like picture.
Ito, yung jacket ko basang-basa. Oh, it's soaking wet. Grabe, ang lakas ng ulan. So, also, I think it's practical that we don't stay in Edinburgh because if we stay there, wala din. Umuulan din, di rin namin
Guys,
i-enjoy.
look at my new t-shirt.
And it's August 20 today. Tomorrow
is Alex's birthday. And who's Alex? Me.
7 years old. Yabe, parang kahapon lang. Kasi, alam nyo, hindi madali pinagdaanan namin mag-ina during the pregnancy and during delivery. Kaya, naku, kahit na makulit to. Love na love ko to. So, we're going to Newcastle. We have 3 hours drive. And then, I find my chicharon.
Mommy, stop.
I'm craving for chicharon, guys. So, I'll eat
so
chicharon.
like, diba we'll go to the hotel. If we're in the hotel today, you need to bring the gift because tomorrow you're gonna give me the
Ay,
gift.
oo nga, tatry ko pa. O, sige.
So you
Ayan,
need
sige.
to bring the gift later in the
Yung
hotel.
galing sa- yung
right,
galing sa
right,
basura.
right, right.
You mean the box, right?
Right,
Yung
Mami?
box, yes.
Okay.
Wait
Where's
lang.
Claire's?
So, later na lang ulit kayo kasi nangungulit na itong bata batuta. Since birthday niya, pinagbibigyan ko naman. So, para mag-enjoy siya, di ba? Kasi after September 3, pasok ko na siya ulit. Okay. Say, happy birthday to me, guys. Sabi mo.
Happy birthday.
Sabi mo, batiin niyo ako happy birthday, ha?
Batiyan niyo ako, ha?
Ng happy birthday.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Isang side ng Scotland, no? Ganda. Ang ganda ng view. I'm so in love in Scotland. Sabi na, yellow warning, heavy rain, forecast. Maaraw naman, pero madilim ang ulap. Super. So, probably mamaya ulan. Bulubundukin siya, oh. Ganda, no?
Hey,
Nice.
guys. Ako today. Oh, tomorrow na yung pwede ka. Ganda naman ako. Oy!
Ang ganda ng mga bundok, oh. Grabe. Hindi masyado
tayo dito, ah!
Hindi masyado kita kasi yung araw. See from here, para ka lang nasa Switzerland. Mga bulubundukin, ang ganda.
Oo, Switzerland nga, guys.
Parang no? Tag dito. Ano ba lugar yun sa Pilipinas? Yung maraming buntukan sa Bungabon, sa Nabisia din.
A few moments later.
That is my castle. Tapos, umakit kami pataas. Hingal kami, lawit nila namin tatlo. This is,
Hey, guys.
ha? Kaya mo pa today. Ang taas nung hinakit namin. Papanik, ang steep. So this is Old Newcastle.
It's a nice exercise
So, para-
today.
Nice exercise today. Ano siya, para siyang museum, pwede kang mag-enter with tickets. Ayun, no, Old Castle. Ang ganda. Yeah. So we're here in Newcastle. Then we're just trying to find our hotel. Oh, tingnan mo. Hindi akin na nga eh.
No, too much toys, oh?
Ay, nakarating na rin kami dito. Ay,
Uy!
312. Pulutin mo yung pulutin.
Put the
Ale.
cap on your head.
So, doon, dito side. 312 doon.
Alexandra,
Oh, take the key.
Alexandra, go now.
So, bili lang namin kanina. This is our pang 13 hotel for this trip.
Wow.
Grabe. Yung inakit namin. Paakyat, pababa. Hingal kabayo kaming tatlo.
I'm exhausted.
312.
I'm exhausted. Nice.
Next one. Yeah. But this is not new, not like the other sleepers hotel.
Oh, it's the same, huh? That's nicer.
Okay.
Okay,
Open.
Guys, I like my favorite hotel is the other sleepers
Wow, Maganda, oh.
and
So the other rooms have no window.
Okay, this
Why we are
one.
Here.
And oh, look at that bed. Alex also lived there, and we have banyo. Oh, the shower room in other hotel is more nice, but it's okay.
But mommy, we need a day. So where am I gonna sleep with you? I need to sleep with you there, right?